Good morning guys and welcome to this episode. It's Saturday, so I'm working on my car. It's also a good morning because since the new year started, I've been working out hard, going like 5 to 6 times a week, mostly 6 times a week. And I've been seeing good results. I'm not eating candy or fast food or stuff like that. Eating less and healthier and just really sticking to the diet. So it's going really well and I'll show you the results now. So today I'm gonna be doing some maintenance, changing the oil and also opening up the transmission. Well, not opening up the transmission, taking the transmission pan down, and because my car has had a problem with shifting from first to second, it's kind of hard, but the rest of the shiftings are pretty nice. So I read about that there's like a thing to change out that when it leaks, it makes the shifting from first to second hard. So if I change that seal, it might fix it. So I'm gonna take the pan down, change the thing I'm gonna show you, and I think it's accumulator or something, and also change the filter and the gasket for the pan, so everything is working nice. So this is the thing. This is the part number. It's a cover from first to second accumulator. Let's open it up. So, when going from first to second, it lets fluid through at the right time. But when this gets a lot of wear and tear, it lets oil through and the shifting gets hard. So by changing this, I should be able to fix the problem that I've been having. So let's do that. And then I have the AC Delco transmission filter kit. Also the AC Delco oil filter. So I just warmed the car up, so it's time to drain the oil, change the oil filter, and then drain the automatic transmission as well, so I can change out the accumulator, if it's even called that, but I'm guessing it's called that. So now I've loosened all the bolts on the transmission and I have to get it past the transmission cable and see if it doesn't come out. So now that the pan is down, the bracket that holds the cable needed some persuasion. Need to bend it to the side and loosen the cable out of it. I might have broken some clip that holds it when I was doing that, so that's not good, but I'll find a way to stick it there. So be careful with that. And there's the accumulator. Is it the same? I hope so. Otherwise, not good. And there of course is the filter. So let's see if everything I ordered fits. So guys, here's the old one and here's the new one. The old one has something loose inside and is not like the new one, so otherwise they've got the same part numbers, so should be good. So I'll put this one in and go to the next step. So it's only 3 10mm bolts, 1, 2 and 1 behind there, so it's pretty easy to replace. And according to the internet, the tightening torque for these bolts are 11 Newton meters or 8 pounds if you're American. So when you open up your filter kit, you have the gasket. I already cleaned the pan. And then you have the filter, and then this here. And I think this small thing is up there and when you push it up, it goes into this. So I got the old one out, old seal, and I had to bang up on the side with a small screwdriver and watch not to damage the walls here. And now I can just clean it a little bit and then put the new seal in. And I banged up the new one with a 19mm. So now it's just to put the filter in. So now the filter is in. I cleaned the surface. So now it's time to put the pan back up. And to hold the gasket you can put some bolts in. And yes, just a few bolts so it holds in the right place. So now the bolts are up and torqued to 12 Newton meters. I think it's like 9 foot-pounds of torque. So. And I found that on Google for 4L60E. So now it's time to tight enough, and then tighten this, and then we're good. So the oil is on. It was 5.7 liters for the engine, and I had to add about 4 liters for the transmission to fill it up. And now I'm letting it warm up to see if anything leaks. Oh man, I'm driving home and it's so smooth from first to second now. From before that was really hard shift from first to second. Now it's just super smooth. like a butter, like a new. That's so cool. Well, that was not an expensive fix. It would have been much more expensive to buy a new transmission, but that was an easy fix. That's very great. So guys, thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you're thinking, give me some ideas what to do, what do you want to see and stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.